Very good evening, everyone. Thank you, Kriti. Thank you, all the comparers, for handling everything so beautifully. Also, before I begin with the farewell speech, there's a fair warning that I've been asked to pour my heart out for a place that I've called my home for more than 12 years, and the people I've called my family for more than 12 years. So, let me warn you, this is not going to be short. This is very, very long. So, please prepare yourselves, all right? Okay. So, here is the speech. All that is gold does not glitter, not all those who wander are lost. The old that is strong does not wither, deep roots are not reached by the frost. If there ever was a word to describe the feeling of being home, I would use it and end this boring essay and a torture which I must be doing in all of you of what DPS Jankipuram means to me. Every day I walked through the school gates with a feeling that I'm cared for, with the presence of a huge sense of community. When I leave this school today, every minute of every day, something will feel missing in my life. It shall be an unbearable ache in my heart. So I begin by thanking the person who bestowed upon me the very privilege with which I stand here to address you all one last time. My dearest, dearest principal ma'am. My journey would have been incomplete without your constant support, ma'am. You've taught me a million things about life. You've entertained our demands, listened to our complaints, and been a mother more than anything. Every head girl should get you as a principal to work with. Every problem I go to her with, every time before every assembly, when we meet her with a mind that is nervous like no other, every time we feel like we are losing it, from platform to fate to special assemblies and investitures, she simply looks up, hears me out, and smiles. And then she says, "You might be too. You've got this." And that smile and those words always felt like everything was okay. Thank you for believing in me, ma'am, and for being ever so supportive and approachable. I will miss you always and always. I also specially thank Mukhtarul Amin, Ma'am Shada Kashif, and Ma'am Shana Amin for all the opportunities that I've been honored with in my alma mater since the day I walked in. I am ever grateful. Now, it is said that not all superheroes have capes, some have teaching degrees. To each and every teacher seated here, my heart feels gratitude to you for everything you have done for me. More than anything, DPS Jankipuram has been to me what it is because of my teachers. How will I ever thank them enough? The least I can start with is to reminisce the memories that I have shared with them in all these years. Beginning with the first chapter of this story from 12 years ago, I thank Shakti Gurtu ma'am, some of you might remember her, my class teacher in the first standard. Oh, how I loved her long curly hair and her affectionate and caring self. I thank Shashi ma'am, who's still here, my second class Hindi teacher. I remember her telling me how my writing is so small and that she could not read it. I thank Anita ma'am, my class teacher from the third and fourth standards. I never really was a fan of mathematics, and she was a mathematics teacher. Oh, what a tough time I must have gave her. Sumbul Khan ma'am, the most caring teacher I have been giving. She literally loved every child she came across. She may not always show it, but Sumbul ma'am was always there for us. Then came class 6th with a class teacher about whom I had been hearing from my seniors about how she's so very strict and how they fear her. Geeta ma'am. Oh, how they lied. The sweetest, fiercest, the fashionista, Geeta ma'am. For all aspects of my speaking or writing that anybody has ever praised me, let me tell you, it was her who kindled that. My love for learning to speak began with her. Then I had to transfer schools for a total of 2 long years. And believe me when I tell you, in the 7th and 8th standards, I had to transfer, and my heart always longed for even a glimpse of my DPS Jankipuram whenever I crossed that path. Returning back in class 9th was one of the best things that I have done when I met her as my class teacher. Monica ma'am. What cluster of letters do you think will ever suffice to describe the journey that classes 9th and 10th with her have been? From the cake she baked us for Children's Day to every time she saved us from getting scolded from other teachers, from every time she has called us monkeys or madams, to every time she has made us sit on the floor for not completing our maths homeworks, she has been a friend more than anything. She has been a mother, and I can never thank her enough. Remember, I said I was never a fan of mathematics. She made me love maths, so much so that I still have regrets for leaving maths as a subject when I couldn't bear to study it before I met her. Thank you for everything, ma'am, for everything. I thank Vanita ma'am, Suman ma'am, Manisha ma'am, Samriddhi ma'am, Sultana ma'am, Rukaiya ma'am, Sumbul Aslam ma'am. I thank Sanjay Mishra sir for asking us the sabji ke bhav from time to time. I thank Sanjay Tomar sir for making us all fall in love with chemistry. I thank Praveen sir, Nandini ma'am, Amina ma'am. I thank Anvita ma'am for being the sole reason I realized my love for the beauty that Hindi is, for introducing me to Dushyant Kumar, for supporting me and for believing in me. And finally, I thank Shuchi ma'am. I thank you, ma'am, for not letting us lose sight of our track ever. I thank you, ma'am, for keeping us in our limits. I thank you, ma'am, for all those scoldings. And I thank you, ma'am, for the love you expressed by all those means. Thank you, ma'am. Now, 12 Humanities, my heart, it has been such a wonderful journey to be a part of something so beautiful. Nakvi sir, thank you for everything. It has been an honor to be a part of your class these last 2 years. Thank you, Mariam ma'am, Rishabh sir, Uma Shankar sir, Mahesh sir, Saud sir, Shashank sir, Akram sir. Thank you, Amit sir, for believing in me, even though I mostly give you a very hard time. Thank you for all the patience. Thank you, Saroj ma'am, for entertaining all our nuisance. Thank you for loving us. Thank you to everyone at the school office and members of the eCare team. A huge thank you to all the Aya Didis and Bhaiyas for bringing us up so well. Forever grateful to you. You have all made me who I am today, and you shall all be in my heart forever. My student council, you've been my support system. You've worked hard, made sacrifices, and above all, loved your duty immensely. It would be a lie if I said you didn't act difficult at times, but it would also be a lie if I didn't say that you worked hard when duty called. It was an honor to lead you. Now, to my dear class 11s, my juniors, tables turn, bridges burn, you live and you learn. Hold your head high, your dignity is your most prized possession. It's not pleasant to fail, it's tough, but use it to succeed. I know you will all make me proud, and all of us proud. Thank you for such a beautiful arrangement today. Speaking of my journey as head girl, 13 years ago when I walked into this school, who would have known such a privilege would be bestowed upon me and I would have the honor to serve as the head girl. It was a dream, a beautiful one, and I thank everyone who believed in me enough to allow me this opportunity. Signing off as your head girl, I only say, my dearest juniors, keep the DPS banner flying ever high. It is uncanny how everything about this school seems to pass by in our last days. The walls of the classroom call out to you, gathered within them every memory, every moment. When you stand on the balcony, the wind whispers to you to stay a little while. The dim bathroom lighting, the sellotaped mics, the broken duster, everything's called out to you to stay a little while longer. DPS is not just a place, it is a feeling of love and security. DPS is my temple, it is my church, my sanctuary, and my safe place. DPS is where my feet may soon leave, but my heart will always be. Lastly, my sincerest apologies and heartfelt thanks to all those who I may have missed. Please know that you played an important role in my life and helped make me the person I am today. I want to thank you all with the bottom of my heart, and please know there is no bottom to my heart. We have come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when we meet again. When we meet again. This is me, Manya Mishra, signing off as Head Girl 2020-21. Thank you so much for bearing me for so long.